Take a minute to think about some of the most powerful words that were ever said to you. Maybe it was words of love and encouragement, or maybe some hurtful and painful words come to mind. Today, I wanted to talk to you about the power of our words. We cannot deny that our words have power. The fact that you just recalled words that may have been said to you from many years ago proves that. Once words are spoken, they're out there. And we can try to take them back and even ask for forgiveness, but they will likely be remembered. When we truly stop to think about that, it should make us all feel a heavy weight and a big responsibility to be careful with the words that we use each day. Sometimes that means we need to be personally aware of our feelings. If we're angry or frustrated, we need to acknowledge that and realize that we just don't think clearly when we're in a highly emotional state. It's never a good idea to make an important decision when we are emotional. When we do that, those tend to be the decisions and the words that we later regret. So knowing this allows us to choose to pause and wait until we've calmed down to speak and act. The other part of this is to be able to stop the negative, hurtful words that are said to us from changing who we believe that we are. Just because someone says something doesn't mean it's true. We can take our personal power back by allowing ourselves to reject the judgments made by others. There's an analogy that talks about the rudder on a ship. It's a tiny part of the ship, but it's the very part needed to steer the ship. And similarly, our tongue is a small part of our body, yet the words formed with it will steer the direction of our lives. Because words can hurt and words can heal. Words can tear down or words can build up. We can choose to complain or we can choose to rejoice and be grateful. We can choose to gossip and slander or we can choose to edify and encourage one another. And the choices we make will send our day in one direction or another. So, let's take time to choose our words carefully. Now that's something to think about. And here's something to smile about. Thanks for joining me today.